0, this will be equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3abc. We have taken common. Okay, this will be minus 3abc plus other values are taken common, twice ab common, then ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so those values are twice ab plus okay, and that is a plus b plus c whole square. If this value is 0, now this is given to us 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Therefore, this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. If we see here that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So if a plus b plus c equals 0, this implies that a cube plus b cube plus c cube 3 into a into b into c. Okay, so from this formula we have just obtained this. So what is shows that a into b into c is 1.4 cos 3a, but we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube then is twice abc, but abc is this. Therefore, a cube means cos cube theta, b cube means cos cube 120 degree plus theta, plus this is cos cube theta minus 120 degree, theta minus 120 degree is equal to 3 into abc. Abc means cos theta into cos of 120 degree plus theta into cos of theta minus 120 degree, which we have taken as 1.4. Put here 3 into 1.4 cos 3 theta. So when this comes out to be 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. This is the answer here. Okay, if this is 0, then deduce that this whole cube, this cube plus this cube plus this cube equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. This we have proved here. So in this case, a plus b plus c is given 0. A plus b plus c is this a plus b plus c. This we have taken b, this has taken a, this is c. So in that situation, a cube plus b cube plus c cube which will be 3abc below b plus b plus c is 0. Then the whole cube of this will give us this whole value plus twice abc into into c or a plus b plus c, that will be 0. Okay. If I open this whole cube, this will give us 3abc minus this. But therefore, this implies that this. If this is 0, now a plus b plus c 0, this implies that a cube plus b cube plus c equal to 3abc. abc की value ये है. So in this way, the value is 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. Alright. This is the question here, and it's proved by this cube plus this cube plus this cube equal to 3 times abc. abc means multiple to this 3, which is 1.4, so 3 by 4. It has come out. Okay, so same result is obtained. Hence the result. Okay, now let us take question number 13. Okay, what does question number 13 say? Let me check it. Question number 13. First, let me change this. Okay guys, so this is question number now 13.1. Sorry, 12 you have done, now 13. Do that. Okay, next question, a similar type of question. These are based on the same result. If cos theta plus cos 3 theta is equal to 1, in that situation the same kind of question is another one. What does it say? 13th question. to prove here that cos qa plus cos q 120 degree plus a 120 degree plus a, yeah, plus cos q to 40 degree plus a. This is based on the same point. If this is there, these two questions are based on the same method. And if this is 0, okay, and I'll just prove that how that is 0. Okay, this equal to 3 by 4 we have 2 into cos of 3a to prove that this whole equal to 0. Now let us take the solution. Now if let me take, since cos a plus cos of 120 degree plus a plus cos of 240 degree plus a. Let me first solve it. What is the value of this? That will give us cos a. This is a plus b. This is plus 240 plus a. Okay, no problem. So cos a plus b is cos 120 degree into cos a minus sin 120 degree into sin a plus this is cos 240 degree into cos a minus sin 240 degree into sin a. Let us take what the value of this comes out. This will give us cos a is here. Of course, 120 is minus 1.2 into cos of a. 120 cos 120 is minus 3 by minus 3 by 2. Cos sin 60 degree is positive value here. Is it minus sign? No, positive sign here. Minus root 3 by 2 into sin a. Cos 240 degree. Cos 240 degree is what? Let me just check that. It will be again minus half, because cos 180 plus theta is, this is also minus half cos a. I think this is minus sign here. 240 minus a. Then this value will come out. 240 degree minus a. I'm sorry. I have to keep this sign here, minus sign, because only then this result will be possible. Okay, so this is minus a. I'm sorry. This is minus a here. 240 degree minus a. Let me take. Okay, so this will give us 240 degree into cos a plus this is minus half, it will be plus sign here, because cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. That is the point. It is plus sign here. Okay, so sin 40 degree. Okay, but this is minus sign because here we are taking cos 240 degree. Cos 240 is minus sign, minus 1.2. Why? Because let's here cos 240 degree. I just proved in the previous question. Cos 240 degree is cos 180 degree plus 60 degree. That means minus cos 60 degree, which is minus half. This is minus half. Cos 60 degree is half. Minus sign is there. But cos 180 plus theta is third quadrant negative, minus cos theta to minus cos theta. That's why this is minus. This cos 240 is minus half into cos a plus this sin 240 degree is root 3 by 2. I'm sorry. If it is plus sign, Let me take plus sign here. If it is plus sign, because in this case 240 degree sign is negative. Alright. That's right, because it is not negative but positive is okay. If it is okay, then sine 240 degree let me put. What is sine 240 degree? There's a point here. Sine 240 can be written as sine 180 degree plus 60 degree. That means sine 180 plus theta is third quadrant. Sine is negative in third quadrant. This is minus sine 60 degree. Alright. This is negative already. This is minus root 3 by 2. Okay. This is the value which is negative here. Okay, so this was negative. Well, it was minus sign, plus sign here, minus sign here. Now it will be minus sign is already there. Sin 240 is minus root 3 by 2 into sin A. Now it's okay. What we have done, minus root 3 by 2. Okay, this one negative and this is plus. Okay. So it will give us cos A minus half cos A, this one, minus root 3 by 2 cos sin A, because 120 degree is root 3 by 2 positive, but minus sign is there, it is negative sign. Okay, so minus root 3 by 2 sin A, this one, minus 1.2 sin A, sorry, cos A. And this is minus plus root 3 by 2 sin A. So this plus root 3 by 2 sin A and minus root 3 by 2 sin A cancel out. Minus half cos A and minus half cos A is minus 1 cos A, and this is plus cos A cancel out. All is 0. What we see here, that this plus this equal to 0. A plus B plus C, similar type of question is this. Okay, so if I just multiply them, A into B into C, if I solve it, it will give us the same value. And what we see here, this is equal to 0, we have obtained. So this is equal to 0. And cos A into cos B into this, cos A into cos 120 degree plus A into cos 240 degree plus A is what? Let me just check it. If I multiply this by 2 and divide by 2, cos A, it will be cos A into 2 cos 120 degree plus A into cos 40 degree plus A. Okay, so this will give us 1.2 cos A. Now 2 cos A cos B is cos A plus B, that means 120 degree plus 240 degree. This is 360 degree. 360 degree plus twice A. If I add them, this plus this, A plus A, twice A. 120 degree plus 240 is my plus, sorry, this is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Or this one, this doesn't matter because negative sign, if it comes, A cancelled out, because this is on 120 minus 240 is minus 120 degree. 240 minus 120. That means for 120 minus 240 will be this. For this minus this, A minus B. This will definitely give us A minus A cancelled out. 120 minus 240 is minus 120. The value. Let me now solve it. 1.2 cos A. Now this is 360 degree. Pi 2 pi plus theta is always cos theta. For this is in the first quadrant. And this will give us cos 2A. Let me write here. Since cos 2 pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. This is cos 2A. And this is cos 120 degree plus cos 120 degree, positive angle, but cos 120 is minus half, is 1.2 cos A into cos 2A can be written as 2 cos square A minus 1. This is minus half. It will give us 1.2 cos A into 2. If I take LCM, it will be 4 into cos square A minus 3 upon 2. This is giving us 1.4. In bracket it will be 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, which is cos 3A, 1.4 cos 3A. What we have obtained here, this comes out to 1.4 cos 3A. This result is obtained. This is a similar type of question. Now, what we see here, that A plus B plus C equal to 0, then if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube, we take A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Now A, B into C has come out as 1.4 cos 3. If I take A as cos A, here A is equal to cos A, B equal to cos 120 degree plus A, and C is equal to cos 240 degree plus A. Okay, so what we see, cos A into cos B into cos C equal to this, or A, B into C equal to 1.4 cos 3, that value. Therefore, this cos cube A means this cos cube A plus cos cube 120 this plus cos cube this is equal to, therefore cos of cube A is cos of cube 120 degree plus A plus cos cube of 240 degree plus A is equal to 3 times A into B into C, that means 1.4 cos 3A. It comes out to be 3 by 4 cos of 3A. So the same result is obtained, 3 by 4 cos 3A whole cube of this value. Okay, so A plus B plus C we have to prove first equal to 0. That we have proved that this cos A plus cos 120 degree plus A plus cos 240 degree plus A equal to 0. We have proved. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, then we know that A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3 into ABC. Now ABC means the multiple of these three values equal to 1.4 cos 3. 3 into 1.4 cos 3 is the result of this A cube plus B cube plus C cube. And the same result. Okay, so this is the question number 13 we have completed. Let us take question number 14. What is question number 14? Let me check. Okay, now question number 14. Question 14 is of kind. Okay, let me change the marker. 9th one. Now 14th question is this. Okay, question number 14 is 2 cos theta equal to this. We are given here. What is given to us? Question number 14. We are given if 2 cos theta equal to x plus 1 for x. It says then to prove that 2 cos 3 theta is equal to x cube equal to x cube plus 1 times x cube. Okay, this we have to prove here. So let us take 2 into cos 3 theta even with that value. Let me take prove that this is the case. Okay, so solution here. Solution is here. We have to prove that this cos 3 theta into 2 is equal to this. 2 cos theta is this. Okay, so let us take this value. This left hand side to 2. This is 2 into cos 3 theta. Left hand side is this. Okay, so let us prove this is value. What is cos 3 theta here? Cos 3 theta is 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to, we know that 4 cos 3 theta. This is 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula, so we have used this. Okay. Therefore, twice into now therefore cos theta is 1.2 x plus this. If I substitute value of cos theta, it will be 4 into cos 2 theta. That means x plus 1.x from 2 whole cube. Okay, that is given us plus minus 3 into this is x plus 1 upon x upon 2. Yes, this is the point here. So that is the question. Okay, let us take now this question here. What is it? This is 2 into 4 into. Now this we have to solve and finally prove that this is equal to this much. 4 into what this is there. Okay, now let us prove this. Now if I take common from this, then x plus 1 upon x will come out as common. This is 2 into this 2. Okay, let me take this 2 into within bracket. If I take x plus 1 upon x common throughout, it will give us 4 into upon 8. 4 upon 8. This is, and then x plus 1 upon x only whole square is left over. And this is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, this is 2 into x plus 1 upon x on value. Now if I open this whole square, this is 1.2 here. X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 only minus 3 by 2. Okay, so this is giving us 2 into x plus 1 upon x. Common we have taken. This is 2 minus 1.2 multiplied with this. Okay, so this is giving us 1.2 into x square plus 1.x square plus 1 here minus 3 by 2. Okay, so guys, I'll take this question of 5 minutes time. The reason is camera is slow, so this let me solve later. Okay, after 5 minutes time. This is question number 14 here. We are doing 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, some more questions are left. 6 questions are left here. No problem. Let us take after 5 minutes time. Okay, this is the question here. Okay, so after 5 minutes time, I'll do this. Let me take this.